Hi everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So the topic is accountability of police. The incidents of police brutality, abuse of power, pre-trial detention in India has always remained a serious issue of human rights violation and has increased manifolds in the recent past. The police are most important law enforcement agency entrusted with the preventing and detention crime with a country. The police must maintain law and order in society, ensure peace. More often than not, one comes across the news and men folding an illegal detention by the police of innocent person. Physical and abuse, physical and verbal abuse. The recent case of custodial that in Tamil Nadu's Tuticorin of the father-sons duo P. Jayaraj and J. Benkins has brought into light the need for generating awareness regarding the protection of human rights of a person in custody. Jayaraj and Benkins were taken into custody for violating COVID-19 curfew hours and died in custody 2 days after his release. On the basis of a report of a local magistrate investing the death, the High Court stated there was a prima facie case of murder as the main accused. The court also cited the serious injury listed in the post-mortem report and testimony of the eyewitness, a female constable at the police station. However, later the 5 policemen was arrested. Now, what are the available remedies are available in this topic? Denial of basic rights to person in custody constitutes an ascertained blow of human dignity, having the effect of destroying and individual personality. The court in India have been vigilant against the infringement of human rights of those detained by given liberal, expensive and interpretation of life and personal liberty. Here are 3 kind of remedies which are main. First one is police complaint authority, liability under law. Third one is action by nature, human right commission. Now the conclusion of this topic. With a steady increase in the number of cases of police brutality in India, it has become an inordinate concern of human rights violating that requires immediate action. It is highly inappropriate that the police taken the law into in its hand and abuse the process of law. Police being the primary law enforcement authority and an integrated structure of the state. Abuse of legal process and power by it is highly dangerous to the democracy and can lead to the state and of anarchy. Now the another one is the court also cited the serious injury in that case about which I told you earlier, and testimony of eyewitness, a female constable at the police station. However, later the 5 policemen were arrested. And the denial of basic rights and individual personality, destroying an individual personality and detaining by giving a liberal and expensive interpretation of life and personal liberty. Here are some more about the police. The police are most important law enforcement agency and entrusted with preventing and detaining crime within the country. The police must maintain an order in society and ensure peace. More often than not, one comes across new of manhandling and illegal detention by the police of innocent person. Now guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.